Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you step by step how to create a local repository in Red Hat 8 using the DVD ISO. If you watch this video from start to end, you will gain a complete knowledge about the process. So stay and let's get started. So topic, how to create local repository in Red Hat 8 using DVD ISO. So those description will provide you on video description. Okay, हम पैरेलली प्ले करेंगे. Step by step. And first you have to check that your ISO mount or not. Okay, हम प्ले कर रहे हैं VMware के थ्रू, so then through settings you have to check it is mounted or not. I have already mounted from here. Okay, so come to terminal, log in with root. Okay, so now हम एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप इसको फॉलो करेंगे. ओके, तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेक द CD DVD is mounted or not for this command lsblk. Okay, so now you have to see that SR0, okay, size 9.4 GB, and that your image file. Okay, that means mounted. Second, mount the ISO. Where? To this path. First you have to create this path, folder created through mkdir. After that mount the ISO. Okay, it's mounted, already mounted. Now you have to see it is mounted or not by this command. Okay, after that you are able to see this file I mentioned here. Okay, that means successful created. After that create a local repo list. You need to be edit. Okay, so already I mentioned here this following command: the name, the base URL, enable 1. Enable 1 mean your repo list is enabled, and when becomes 0 it is disabled. Okay, in next video we will describe how to enable and disable. Okay, after that you need to save command here. Let's check Ctrl X, then Y for yes, and hit enter. Successfully edited. Okay, after that you run this following command from clean the repo: sudo dnf clean all and 0 file remove. After that sudo dnf repo list paste. Okay, you have to see RHEL 8, the repo ID and repo name. You see those column, repo ID and repo name. After that you run any command. Suppose you run this command, okay, gcc package. If you hit the enter, you able to successfully download. Okay, complete, done. Okay, hope you understood how you download the packages using your local repository. Okay, The one command yum.repos.d. By this command you will be able to see that which repo ID is your repo ID status. You check that Red Hat 8 AppStream is enabled and Red Hat 8 BaseOS is enabled. That means both are successful working. If you want to disable, then how you disable? You need to be edit the repo list by enabled 1. Instead of 1 you have to put 0, then you successful disable the repo list from here. So you need to be edit the repo. Come to here. Suppose I want to disable the BaseOS. Okay, come to here and put 0. Instead of 1, then Ctrl X, Y for yes, hit enter. After that you check the repo list. Hope you understand. Red Hat 8 BaseOS is disabled. If you want to enable it again, come to here, one, then Ctrl X, Y for yes, hit for enter. Then again check repo list, both are enabled. You see. Thank you for watching the video. One thing, if you want to install one package, another one package, like yum install FTP packages. Sorry. Enter. You see that FTP are successfully installed. Okay. Now you came here, sudo nano, and disable the both. Let's see what happened. 0 0. Okay. Save. Y for yes, hit for enter. You check what is the status. Repo list all, yum repo list all, both are disabled. Now you try to install VSFTPD. Press enter. Now you see this command error. That means your both repository are currently disabled, so you are unable to install these packages because of your absence your repository. If you enable, then after that you are able to download or maybe installed. Come to here, 1 Ctrl X, Y for it, enter, and try to install again. First check what is the status, both are enabled, and try to install VSFTPD, enter. Now you see that you are able to installing VSFTPD. Now is installing and completed. Thank you guys. Hope you understand the function of the local repository. Okay.